What's up, YouTube? This is Antoine with Trans Production coming to you with another update on the Landa app. Um, my order process a couple days ago or today or something, I made on that 24 dip mar. So now my dividend, let me see here. My monthly dividend is a dollar 24 a month now, and I have $119.12 in my investment. So I make off $119. I'm making $1.24 a month. So I have two shares of 24 Debt Mars, which is in Brooklyn, New York at 2014. I got three shares of 6696 Mapleton, which is $5.06 per share. And I have five shares of 368 Irvin, which is in Atlanta, Georgia, which is $11.97. So altogether, I got $119 and hold on, $119.12, and I'm making $124 per month. So let's see if we can figure something out here. I'm trying to figure out what percentage I'm getting. Okay. I'm getting about 10.33% a month on maybe 10.35, 10.40, something like that. APY per month on my investment. So every $119 is going to yield if you invest smart. So you can yield about 10.35 to 40% on your money for every $119 you invest. But if you want to get real efficient, you might want to go to the trending now or the trading now, to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and then the properties that pop up as trading, you want to get those because the dividends are fixed. They've already sold out it's already been diluted. They've already sold all the shares. It's just sellers wanting to get out their positions on the properties. So you can pick those up. There's a couple properties that got the dividend at 11 cents. There's one that's at $16. Let me see if I can find it. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling. I'll tell you guys which one it is, so you can do your homework on it and see if it's something you want to invest in. Because I mean, every 10 shares you get, it costs $100, $160, but you'll make $111 off of that, off that $160, which still isn't bad. That's almost 10%. But the address is 45 Robert Ford, Covington, Georgia, and the property price is $16 per share. And they're the property is worth um waiting for it to load up here. Man, it's not loading. Anyway, the shares are $16 a share and the dividends at 11 cents. So that's about all I got for you guys. You guys stay cool. Peace.